Today, I'm sharing a delicious treat with you, a mouth-watering brown sugar pancake. It's even better than what you can get at a bakery. And the recipe is incredibly simple. You'll get the hang of it in no time. Start with 110 milliliters of lukewarm water. Add 2 grams of dry yeast. Then, toss in a tablespoon of granulated sugar. Stir it until it dissolves completely. Now, add 210 grams of all-purpose flour. Mix the yeast water and the flour while stirring continuously. Once it forms a doughy consistency, it's ready for kneading. Knead it until you have a smooth, moderately firm dough. Cover it and let it ferment for about 30 minutes. Prepare the oil paste. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Then, add a tablespoon of cooking oil. Mix it thoroughly. You want it to have a thick, paste-like consistency. Set it aside. Now, prepare some red sugar. If it has coarse grains, use a rolling pin to crush them. Add a tablespoon of flour. Mix it well. This is your sugar filling. You can also use black sesame as an alternative filling. Once the dough has risen enough, take it out and knead it briefly. Release the trapped air. No need to knead for long. Shape it into a long strip. Then, cut it into 6 equal portions. Take each portion and shape it into a round ball, tucking in the edges. Flatten each ball with a rolling pin. Roll it out, aiming for thin edges and a thicker center. Place a spoonful of the oil paste on top. Fold it over like this. Seal the edges tightly to keep the paste inside. Flatten it gently, being careful not to let the oil paste leak out. Then, use the rolling pin to make it thinner. Repeat the process. First, roll it out. Then, fold it in half. Press it with the rolling pin. Roll it thinner. Repeat this 3 times. Finally, roll it into a thin outer edge and a thicker center. Just like this. Add a generous spoonful of the sugar filling. Then, fold it like a dumpling. After folding, gently flatten it. Repeat the process. Roll it out. Then, fold it. Flatten it from top to bottom. And there you have a pancake base. Preheat an electric griddle and add a spoonful of cooking oil. Brush it evenly with a brush. Place the pancake on it. Brush some oil on top. Cover with a lid. It should take about 6 minutes to cook, flipping it halfway for even heating. Flip it over to ensure it's evenly cooked. Both sides should turn golden brown. Once both sides are golden brown, it's ready to come off the griddle. And there you have it, a simple and delicious brown sugar pancake. Right out of the griddle, it's wonderfully crispy on the outside. And incredibly soft on the inside. Layer upon layer of sweet brown sugar filling. Sweet but not overly so. If you like it, save the recipe and give it a try. Hit the follow button for more home-cooked delights. Thank you for watching.